guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna J, and today we're just going to do a little DIY. So I decided to do the trending animal style Crocs, and I know I'm late on this trend, but better late than never. So all you would need is your Crocs, and I know a lot of people have been using or making bags, Crocs, earrings. You can do whatever, but I chose to do Crocs. So you're gonna start off with Crocs, whatever Crocs. These are old, they're dusty, haven't worn them, so I was just like, let me have fun with it. You're gonna need your animals, of course, and I bought these from Amazon. I bought about 3 bags or 3 packs of these, and I'll try to link them down below. But you're gonna need this. This is the main thing that you're gonna need. You're also gonna need a glue gun. You don't have to use this. This is just my way, and it's easy. I don't know if it's gonna stick on, but it's not something I'll be wearing all the time. So, oh, and one more thing, you're gonna need scissors because these came with a little string on it, and you don't want the string, you just want the animal. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. But I'm only gonna do one for you guys to show you, and the other one I'll just do later. And I think these became trending from the City Girls. I don't know what video it was, but it was with the one with them and Usher. And I remember they had they was all dressed up with the boots and the hair, and everybody just completely flipped out. And I thought they were cute too. But I've been seeing everyone do a lot of Crocs and bags, and I just didn't want to pay that big old price when I could make it myself. So this is how the first one is looking like. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to stick on, but this is not something I'll be wearing all the time. So I'll just continue. Let me see if I could adjust the camera a little bit later on. And this is so quick and easy. I don't think you should pay $100 or $60 or nothing like that when you could simply just create it yourself. Ooh, and you remember, the hot glue gun is hot, hot. And I'm not gonna make you guys watch every little step and every little detail, so I'm gonna try to fast forward it a little bit. So this will be a pretty short video. I should have just cut it all from the beginning.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so.
And I know you see all this glue and these strings and stuff from the bottom that's sticking on, but these turned out super cute. And if you do it my way, which is using the hot glue gun, and I just got this cheap one from Walmart. It was like $8, maybe less. But if you do it my way, don't expect it to stick on. If you want it like a more long-term stay, use like E6000 glue or something like that. But thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in my next one.